Hey everyone, welcome back to the Easy Auto channel. Yeah, today I want to remove this haze on my windshield, so make the windshield more clear. So it's easy to see in the rain, more safe to drive on the road. Plus the windshield wiper broke as well. So yeah, I will replace the windshield wiper and try to figure out how to clean this haze. Yeah. Alright, it's about time to change the new wiper. Yeah, the cap's missing. And then the blade's degrading. Alright, that should be. Yes, 21 and 24. I believe that's the driver's side, that's the passenger side. So I'm working on passenger side. Let's open it and take a look. Alright, here's a new one, here's the old one. Yeah, they're about the same length. Yeah, the install should be, it's just like reverse, like. Let's see. Nope. Something like that. So going in from this end, it's I have this a half circle things on the top. It's kind of matching the shape of the hook here. It should push in, you should hear a click. Alright. The passenger side is good. Now move to the driver's side. I believe that should just like pull it down. Yep, that's the old one. Yeah, it's pretty much gone. Alright, here's the new one, that's the old one. Make sure the same length. Yeah, seems like it. Yeah, this side is 24. Yeah, the install pretty much reverse. So find the round part. Let's go in. And I should hear a click. Alright. Alright, now I can use some rubbing alcohol to clean the inside window. See through the windshield. The windshield is so bluey when I was driving. Yeah, it's really hard to see, especially at night in a heavy rain and the snow day. So the new wiper should take care of the snow and the rain. Let me clean this up and then show you guys the result. Alright, so I'm using some rubbing alcohol, 70%. And have a clean microfiber towel. So it's like swirl up, make it wet. And rub on the window with some elbow grease. Yeah, here's the result after cleaning with the 70% of rubbing alcohol. It's much clearer now. Yeah, it's good. It's a lot easier to see through the windshield. Yeah, no more haze, no more the oily fume, something like that. Please subscribe, give me a like. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.